start recording. So this is just a recap number 2. So we came back to the market, and when we came back to the market, we were first up 23 points, but FOMO came back in, and with FOMO we decided to get back in and take some trades. So we came in after it was around about lunchtime, seeing prices head up here. Thought prices would get to the 124s, which was the previous all-time high from a couple of weeks ago now. So we got in thinking prices would head higher, suffered a loss 10 points. After that, we decided to go short, looking for a move down to the 92. Price turned around, we lost there. So we had a series of losses. We were looking at trading levels and we're having some difficulty. Eventually, it was a bit of a mixed bag. We had another loss over here, made a victory, made a win there and we lose to here. Over here, we went short. We thought we'd see the breakdown. Didn't quite work. Prices rallied. So we exited for 13.75 point loss. Then after we exited, we kind of realized it wasn't, well, we kind of said it wasn't part of the plan to exit. So we got back in at a better price. We went short and we tried to take back all that we lost, the 13 points. So we picked up 14.5. The target was down at 67. It would have been 40 points from the entry up there. So we was hoping that the price would pull back for us to get back in for a short. That didn't happen. Price eventually went down to the target. Over here, we went long. Thought prices were going to bounce off the 60 area here with the 200 period. Prices seemed weak, no follow through, so exited for 1 point. Over here, we went short, looking for a breakdown away from the 60. Thought we'd break down away from the 60 to 200. Prices was hanging around, so we exited for a 4-point loss, which was a good decision. After that, we went long for the hold of the 60s, and the target was essentially the 110s. It was about 110, but as prices went into my favor pretty strongly, I saw that I was up on the day, reaching my daily goal, so I exited the position early around 06. Price eventually got all the way to the 10s, 14s, and the 16s here, so that would have worked itself out. Now we came back and we suffered some big losses here, so it was no positive. We went long on gold about 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We lost 13 points there. We then went short on gold and we lost 15 points there. So through 13 and 15, we're looking at 28 points lost just on gold, taking long and short trades. So gold wasn't favorable to us today, lost 28 points. So that obviously cut into our profits. And on ES, let's see, on ES, what happened? So on ES, we took a short. It was the same short based on, these are Bollinger Trend shorts, the short over here, but we actually didn't close the one. We didn't close the trade like we did on NQ. So we picked up 6.875, went short again, took profit again, 3.125. After that, this was a long, holding that level. So went long with NQ. Target was about 10 points. So it was about 73. Again, we exited it early because of we were up on the day, along with our NQ trade, despite the fact that gold was causing us a lot of problems. So we exited on the ES trade and we picked up 21.875. So that was a point we picked up there. And finally, we'll have a look at our trade performance. Let's see, trade performance here. We can see 44. Is that right? 44. That can't be right. Oh, it is right. Oh no. Don't tell me it's gone missing now. Bear with me a second here. Technology. So I'm going to have to build a new one. So I'm going to have to get a new trade performance because these have gone missing. So I'm going to drag this over to this screen here. We're trying to get this video done as quickly as possible. So here we are, 44,581. So total gains, total losses, profit factors come down from the first video to 1.58. Accuracy doesn't really mean anything. Average win, average loss. Again, probably definitely would like that to be bigger. There's a ratio. Largest win bigger than largest loss. That's definitely something we want to see. It wasn't great in the first instance, but in the second instance, primarily because of the big trades that we had on ES and NQ, the very big moves to the upside. That's the reason why we've got the bigger average win, largest win to largest loss. If we go over to the analysis page and we go to trades and we go to the cumulative net, oh my word. So despite the fact that we were successful, as you can see, this is a very choppy equity curve here. It's very choppy. So this is where we were. So we drew down quite a bit. First, we were up at 23. That's where we ended the previous stream. We came back into the market. Let's see where we were. And we drew down after that. So this is where we end the first stream here at about 11:41. We came back, slowly built up. We drew down the account to almost flat, all the way down to 6 points there. Drew down again, all the way down to 4 points. And after that, we built ourselves back. So very erratic equity curve here. Very erratic with those losses. So that's where we're going to end the day. 44,581. That's where we're going to end the day. So I'd like to thank you for watching and think about liking the video.